How to replace the clutch buttons on a John Deere Gator. The John Deere Gator is a multi-purpose utility vehicle used everywhere from ranches to baseball fields. It uses a centrifugal clutch system, so as the gas is depressed, the clutch starts to open, causing tension on the drive belt and propelling the machine forward. The clutch buttons need to be changed out periodically as they are made of plastic and are in a high-wear environment. This procedure is very in-depth and requires patience, as it takes 40 minutes to complete. Things you'll need: 10 mm wrench, 1/2 inch wrench, Phillips screwdriver, 3-jaw puller. Park the machine on a hard, level surface and set the parking brake. Turn the key to the off position. Raise the cargo box by lifting up on the handle on its right side. Remove the drive belt off the clutch by hand. Remove the nut from the lower shock mounting screw behind the clutch. Slide the screw outwards away from the clutch, until the end of the cap screw is even with the axle mounting tab. Do not remove the screw. Remove the cap bolt from the center of the clutch using the inch wrench. Slide out the bolt and the washer and slide the clutch off the axle shaft. Lay the clutch on a flat workbench with the large disc facing down. Locate the set screw on top of the clutch. With a marker, mark the location of the set screw with the outer edge of the cam. Mark the location of the spring tab located in the movable sheath. Use the 3-jaw puller to pull the cam off the clutch shaft. Remove the cam, spring, and movable sheath from the shaft. Pull the clutch buttons free with the pliers. Press the clutch buttons by hands. Reinstall the movable sheath, spring and cam in a line with the markings previously made. Install and tighten down the set screw. Reinstall the clutch by following the instructions in reverse.